Hi everyone. Today we were going to discuss regarding United Nations and its charter which contain provision that refer to human rights. So let's begin. Before knowing about the charter that contain provision that supports human right, we will discuss regarding UN. यूनाइटेड नेशन एक इंटरगवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो इस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 24 अक्टूबर इन 1945 to promote international cooperation. A replacement for the ineffective League of Nations, and the organization was created to prevent conflict like Second World War and such conflict. UN had 51 member states. Now it consists of 193 members. UN का headquarter न्यूयॉर्क सिटी में है and the organization is financed by assessed and voluntary contribution from its member states. 6 ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस में यूएन में वर्क किया जाता है, दैट इज अरेबिक, चाइनीज, इंग्लिश, फ्रेंच, रशियन एंड स्पेनिश. जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है यूएन का इज टू मेंटेन इंटरनेशनल पीस एंड सिक्योरिटी, ह्यूमन राइट का प्रमोट किया जाए, सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट किया जाए, फ्रेंडली इंटरनेशनल रिलेशंस अमंग वर्ल्ड नेशंस डेवलप हो और ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एड प्रोवाइड किया जाए इन द केस ऑफ फेमाइन, नेचुरल डिजास्टर एंड आर्म्ड कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. इट सॉल्व इंटरनेशनल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ एनी नेचर, इकोनॉमिक, कल्चर, सोशल. जो यूनाइटेड नेशन ने चैलेंजेस फेस किए हैं, दैट इज इन द इंटरनेशनल पीस कीपिंग, protection of human rights, international disputes, removing poverty, eradicating anti-social elements in different parts of the world. UN and human rights. जो आज हम इस वीडियो से जानेंगे इज दैट कि यूएन के जो चार्टर हैं उसमें जो प्रोविजंस हैं दे डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली सपोर्ट ह्यूमन राइट्स. प्रमोशन और प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स एंड फंडामेंटल फ्रीडम इज वन ऑफ द मेन मैंडेट्स ऑफ द यूएन, जो चार्टर में भी डिस्कस किया गया है. सिंस द अडॉप्शन ऑफ यूडीएचआर, UN ने डेवलप किया वाइड रेंज ऑफ इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट स्टैंडर्ड्स एंड नॉर्म्स एज वेल एज मैकेनिज्म टू प्रमोट एंड प्रोटेक्ट दोज राइट्स. UN की इंटरगवर्नमेंटल बॉडीज हैं जिन्होंने डील किया विद ह्यूमन राइट्स की हाउ टू प्रमोट एंड प्रोटेक्ट human rights. These are the intergovernmental bodies, General Assembly, Economic, and all these are the UN bodies. Promotion and protection of human rights by the UN. Prime responsibility promotion of human rights जो UN Charter में adopt की गई, and it rests in the General Assembly, in the Economic and Social Council and its subsidiary body, that the Council on Human Rights. Protection of human right find किया गया in the UN Charter, and when human rights violation assume massive dimension, General Assembly और other organs जो थे UN के, they initiate and discuss on the basis of protecting and promoting human rights. United Nations in the past has been able to promote and protect human rights by certain ways which are as follows. Human right consciousness develop करी गई, and it has made the people and the states that how human rights and fundamental freedom should be protected. This was the first and the most important role which the UN has played out. Codification of the law of human rights. UN ने codified किए different rights and freedom by making treaties for all section of the people, such as women, children, workers, refugee, etc. UN एक international organization है जो collectively form की गई in order to regulate and conduct international affairs and to prevent occurrence of war between nations, and at the same time respecting the notion of fundamental human rights. It was only after Second World War that nation began to ponder positively on the issue of human rights. Throughout the charter, there are 11 provisions in the charter that refers to human right, indirectly or directly. तो हम इस में डिस्कस करेंगे कि कौन से चार्टर डायरेक्टली क्लेम करते हैं और कौन से प्रोविजन इनडायरेक्टली क्लेम करते हैं ह्यूमन राइट्स की प्रोटेक्शन के लिए. They are as follows. You can glance now. We will discuss in the next video. Second paragraph of the preamble provides key fundamental human rights in the dignity and worth of the human person, in the equal rights of men and women. It is accepted that preamble is a इंट्रोडक्टरी एंड एक्सप्लेनेटरी स्टेटमेंट जिसमें बोला गया कि चार्टर का पर्पस है ह्यूमन राइट्स टू बी फर्स्ट रिकॉग्नाइज आउट. In Article 1(3) of the Charter deals ki to achieve international cooperation in promoting and encouraging respect for human rights and for fundamental freedom for all without distinction. मतलब कोई discrimination नहीं होगा, सबके human rights को promote and encourage किया जाएगा and they should be enjoyed by all without any form of discrimination. Rights and freedoms सबके without any discrimination should be enjoyed. Article 13(1)(b) deals with the functions and power of United Nations General Assembly. इसमें recommendations किए गए कि the realization of human rights and fundamental freedom for all without distinction as to race, मतलब no discrimination, and this article gives obligation and imposes duty on the UNGA ki how to recommend and matters on the promotion of human rights. Article 55(c) provides कि equal rights and self-determination होना चाहिए of people का, and UN shall promote universal respect for and observance of human rights and fundamental freedom without any discrimination. Article 56 states कि all members join and separate action in cooperation with the organization for the achievement of the purpose set. So Article 55 and 56 talks about that provide member state with an undertaking to promote and observe human rights either by working together with the UN or separately. Article 62(2) of the Charter, Economic Culture of Social Council has been given the power कि recommendations का power मिला, ये UN की body है, तो for the purpose of promoting respect for and observance of human rights and fundamental freedoms for all. There should be a protection of minority rights and there should no discrimination against race, caste, language, anything. Article 68 which state with the authority to set up commission for the promotion of human rights. इसमें Article 68 में कुछ पास दी गई Economic Culture and Social Council को कि they should set up commission for the promotion of human rights. Article 76(c) provide basic objective of the trusteeship system shall be to encourage respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms without distinction. So these explicit in directly reference to human rights in the Charter, 3 United Nations organs have been given the specific obligation of promoting and encouraging respect for human rights and for fundamental freedom जो मैंने आपको explain करी है. Now we will talk about indirect references जो with regard to human rights in the Charter provide हैं. तो Article 8, Article 10 and Article 14 speaks about that, and all these articles have talk about measures, restrictions and recommendation and report that they have adopted to encourage and to protect human rights. Like in Article 8, UN proclaim कि no restriction on the eligibility of men and women, सबको participate करने का equal right है. It restricted that no discrimination. Article 10 states that relating to the powers and function of any organs provided for in the present Charter. And in Article 12, recommendation made out to the members of UN or to the Security Council or to both on any such questions or matters. This allows UNGA to discuss any question or any matter that include human rights and fundamental freedoms which then recurs again and again. This power of UNGA is however curtailed by Article 12 which restrict to discuss any matter if the situation is under the exercise of UN Security Council. Article 14 also has some provisions and Article 12 recommend measures for situation resulting from a violation of the provision of the present Charter. Article 14 and Article 1(3) of the Charter clear and properly, precisely evident that the UNG is given the power to recommend measures to solve situations that occur caused by violation of universal human rights and discrimination. It can be said that there are 11 instances in UN that makes reference to human rights and fundamental liberties. 11 references जो UN Charter में provide किए गए हैं that makes that how it supports human rights and fundamental liberties. It put their strong promise and commitment on promoting human rights and fundamental freedoms. This allowed the UDHR to be formed in 1948 and later the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and the International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights. इसके regarding मैंने अपनी previous video में short note में information दी, you can check that video. So it can be concluded that charter contains provision that refer to human rights. So ये 6 areas हैं United Nations Charter के जो on human rights exercise out हुए. Human rights constitute a theme that recurs again and again throughout the charter and in singular in its predominance. UN Charter internationalize the concept of human rights. You can see these 6 points how and motivate and encourage the human rights all over the world. Oppenheim and Lauterbach stated that जो idea है recognition and protection of human right is woven like a golden thread throughout the entire charter as one of the principal objective of the United Nations organization. So UN का basic promotion, recognition and protection of human right was the basic principle. The institutional framework for the promotion and protection of human right established किया गया by Charter of the UN and implementation of human rights also created to promote and protection of human rights at universal level. UN make an institutional framework that created by the Charter of UN and its domain in human rights. UN की जो main bodies हैं General Assembly, the Security Council, the Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice and large part of the subsidiaries, but जो Commission for Human Rights Committee and all these were help to protect and promote the rights of minorities. In the area of human rights, according to Charter of UN, only 3 main bodies presently and actively worked out: General Assembly, Economic and Social Council and the Council of Trusteeship and subsidiary bodies in their domain regarding human rights. So promotion and protection of human rights carried out in the Charter of the UN and are part, and this was the basic principle of UN. So this video talks all about the charter that contains the provision which support human right by United Nations. Thank you so much for watching this video.